It's me, your girl, Champagne Killer, coming back with a web series I'm calling Champagne Strokes. This week, I'm bringing you another gorgeous painting. If you want to see more, please like this video and follow me on all the social medias. Let's get into this painting. Okay, so I've got a pretty good sketch, mapping things out, sort of have a figure coming out of the ether. I don't usually stick to the sketch anyway, so I'm gonna get right into it. I trust my process, I trust the paint, and we're gonna see what it looks like. So let's add some paint. Okay, so basically I'm using white and blue to figure out the spatial relationship. So now I put in a lot of the warm tones and what the skin sort of feels like, which is normally just warm with cools popping through. The body is building itself out of literally paint. We're just gonna keep trusting all that and see where we go. So now I've went in with outlines to make the figure feel alive again. And now we're gonna go back in with blue and cut it all out, and hopefully it will start to feel separate from the background. So you see, when I cut it out again with blue, it really feels there. All those layers where I smeared away and messed up, all of a sudden become the skin and texture of the body. Mistakes, like scars, are always present, and I think painting should feel that way too. The figure shouldn't feel fresh, it should feel lived. Now I'm gonna go back in with my blue and build a solid base and ground for my figure to stand on. So I went back in with my black and just went ham on that and added all that dark. We're gonna work through it by touching up the flesh and then probably calling it a day. Woo! That one was challenging. But we worked through, we trust our paint, we trust the process, and we came out successful. And here's what it looks like. For a romantic mystery figure session moment, it looks pretty good. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Thank you for being part of this experience with me and helping me build as an artist, as a drag queen, as a person. And I just couldn't be happier to do it. So this one's for you. Until next time, it's your girl, the one, the only Champagne Killer.